What's up? Welcome to tonight's live stream. I'm only going to be here for a while or a little bit. I'm going to do some integration work real quick. I don't foresee it taking that long, but who knows? This is development. It could take forever in a day. It's currently Tuesday. It's 11 p.m., so it's almost Wednesday. It's the 15th. It's tax day. Fortunately, because I did forget. I did my taxes at the last minute last week, so I don't have to worry about it. I'm good. And it was the first year I didn't owe money. Oh my gosh, you don't even know how that makes me feel. Well, I didn't have to pay additional taxes. I still paid like 80 grand last year. My gosh, I hate tax. I'm not gonna get into how much I dislike this place. I'm just gonna get into some work. What am I about to do? Integration work. That's what I'm about to do. Call this fetch Twilio account. Call this run? I wonder if I can call this run. I actually don't know if I can call this run. Yo, what's up, casual? Yeah, kinda, maybe. You know, I haven't been doing this type of stuff live because it doesn't get any engagement. But I'm just like, I haven't streamed in a while, so may as well do it anyway. I don't expect anyone to actually be here, but you, I suppose, since you're here already. But welcome. Hopefully you're doing okay. This will be a post. Yeah, like I thought, I can't call this run. So I get to figure out how can I have more than one function? Do I just name it whatever and it just works? Development, developer guide. I'm going to assume that it doesn't need to be named run. So we're going to call this send message. And let's return, okay, result for now. Tests. Semicolons. I wish there were a way to automatically just have this send the semicolon or do the semicolon. That would be nice. Wait, I had to give it the number? Ooh. Okay. All right, interesting. So I'm gonna have to create a body. And I want to strongly type this somehow. Gotta figure out how to do that. Create functions, HTTP trigger, Azure portal. I don't want to do this like that. Isolated worker model. What project is this? It's just something that I'm working on. I can't get into details, but it's something. C# function, so the name parameter. Yeah, this isn't answering any of my questions, unfortunately. Let's go look at some samples. Are there any samples? Serverless, Azure, sample, C#. All I want to know is, can I have more than one function? That's really all I want to know. And a controller. That's it. It's giving me a lot of things that are irrelevant to me at the moment. What I can share is that it's something that's with Azure functions, and I don't have any experience with Azure functions. I have experience with the language, you know, like .NET and all that kind of stuff, C#, but not this, not the Azure function thing. Public object. Okay, so I guess. Okay, so yes, I can. It's going to be like this. Okay, so I'm already doing that correctly. Now I want to know, how do I strongly type something in this thing? So strongly type body HTTP trigger Azure function. Okay, so that's not what I want. HTTP requests, execution con, none of that's what I want. Ugh. I wonder, do I have to parse it? Because I really don't want to parse it. But it looks like I may have to. Oh no, I can do the dynamic thing. Okay, all right, I could do that. That would be ideal. Now, it would be better if I can strongly type that, which I think I haven't used JSON .NET in a while. Let's see if that's still a thing. Oops. .NET. It is. To this day, Microsoft doesn't have their own JSON serializer. It doesn't make any sense to me. Oops. Okay, so I want to create a, oh, well, before I do that, let me switch off. We'll delete that. And that. And that. And that. Okay. Oh, and this too. Delete all of that. Okay. So .NET add package. I think it's package. And what's the name of this package? Is it just JSON.NET? So .NET Core. Yeah, there's two of. What the hell? Which one is the one I'm supposed to use? Project website. Let's see. This seems slower. Why would I use this one and not this one, which is significantly faster, like a lot faster? I guess maybe I will use this one if possible. JSON serializer, serialize this thing. Can I? Yes. Okay. Yes, I can do it into a strongly typed object, which is nice. And it supports .NET 8, which is what I'm using. Let's see what this supports. I don't see .NET 8. Frameworks, let's see, .NET 8, 9. Okay, yeah, it's supported there. And .NET Core too. I don't know which one I should use. I've never used this one though. Like, I'm gonna just be real. I've never used system.text.json. I've only ever used Newtonsoft JSON. Does this support what I need? Which is .NET 9. 8. Okay, yeah, 8. And then .NET Core. And standard 2.1. What am I using? 9.3. All right, I think I will ask, what do they want to use? That one, Newtonsoft, JSON.NET, or this one. Current version per. Maybe I'll just go with whoever, like, maybe I'll just be a herd follower and just use the one that most other people are using. 2.1 mil. And this one is 461 mil. All right. So we're going to use this one, which is Newtonsoft.json. So we'll add Got that. Huh? Oh, tripping. We need to go into integrations. All right. For that, using soft, and we should be able to serialize it. Let's see how you use the Newton soft one. It's been so long. Project website. What is the stream reader like thingamajig? What is it called? Cannot be used like a method. Skip. I don't know if I'm using .NET Core or if I'm using .NET or just, okay, never mind. .NET Framework, we're good. Doc set. Gosh, am I gonna have to go to Microsoft's website? Oh, I hate their docs. .NET Stream Reader. System IO. I don't know if I get System IO here. Oh, I do. Okay. All right. Look at that. Okay, and then I think I can go and use the Newton soft stuff to actually do this deserialization. think I want to serialize. And will this return, what does this return? A string. No, serialize. And what does this take? A string. So this needs to have a value. Oops. Oh, haha. I forgot. Let's also await this. Oh. Okay, so we get back this thing, and this should be a dynamic object. So we'll say, what do I want to call this? JSON maybe? I forgot how you do string interpolation in C#. Okay. Oh wait, I can't do this. I forgot. This is the log function. I can't just do that. But I can use this $sign, looks like. So we'll do that. It won't let me do this expression. That sucks if I can't. Huh, okay. So I can't do string interpolation like that. All right, well, that's fun. We will say that this actually does indeed exist. And maybe we'll convert it here so I don't have to do it here. Looks like I can do that. Let's do it. Oops. Okay. All right, let's make sure that this is somewhat working. All right, so message is there. Yep, cool, that works. Now, obviously, it's not going to actually send a message. I haven't gotten to that part yet. So also say from number 2. The thing is that this is gonna come from configuration. So I guess that's gonna be. I'll throw it in the body for now. Let's do that. Do I want to do that? Well, I'm just testing. It's fine. I'm just testing. But obviously, I don't want to do this because there could be several numbers that it could come from, depending on things. And oh, actually, 2 phone would be. This should be an array. So it should be phone numbers, 2 phone numbers. Yeah, I want this to be an array of strings. Numbers like that. Let's make sure. Oh wait, this is freaking, it's not gonna just work. I had to rebuild. Yeah, so this should be 2 phone numbers from phone number. So we'll call this 2 numbers and then from number. Hopefully it'll serialize this. If not, I'm gonna have to create an object for that. I'm gonna end up doing that anyways. I think that makes the most sense. Okay, so let's add a number. This will be that number. Oops, don't save. Let's rebuild. The hell is that noise? Oh, okay. How do you say? Well, that's what I'm figuring out. I don't know. That's a good question. I'll let you know when I figure it out. And by let you know, you'll see it. Okay, so I get a 500 and it's probably a serialization. Oh wait, no, it's because it's not running. Okay, that makes sense. Nah, something's not happy. It's probably this right here. Probably can't do that. Although I wouldn't expect it to fail here. Okay, yeah, that's failing. Let's go look at the output to see why. No, that's not it. Oh man, it would be so helpful if I knew where this is being output. failing the compilation. Or this is me. Okay, it's here. Okay. If I could define work. Method 169, 62. Fetch Twilio account. Wait, what? Unable to load. Fetch Twilio account. Okay. Maybe I should stop that. Because I did rename it. Okay. Okay, yeah, it's because I renamed it. Okay. Still get a 500. Now this is likely due to the deserialization. Okay, session was strong by the invocation. Yes. This part right here. So I may not be able to just dump it into here like that. Let's just try to do var, because I don't know what it's going to be. Same here. Maybe they're all dynamic because I'm using dynamic. So I think var, I don't know if I have to say dynamic. I may have to. We'll see. Let's rebuild. Hopefully this, wait, no, it didn't. Do I have to continually have to do this every single time? Okay, let's close that. Yeah, this experience is not it. I really hope I don't have to do this every single time. That's really annoying. Yeah, that's what it was. Okay, so do we get my numbers? Yes. We get the numbers. Great. Okay, I can move on. Is this it? No, this it? No, this it? Send outbound. Yes. Okay, so we're gonna create the thing, body, sure, whatever. Here's a message. How about that? From is going to be my phone number, my from number. And then to, is there another one? That phone. Okay, so I got to figure out how to do this bulk because I can't do one at a time. Message resources. num segments, the number of segments that make up the complete message. No, I don't need to worry about that. The recipient's phone number. I wonder if I'm just gonna have to loop through this. And if so, I'm gonna have to keep track of things. I don't wanna have to do that. Oh, it's just 2. Oh man, that's gonna be hard to find. PIMTL 2 days. Channel address. I gotta figure out what the API limits are now. If I can't just give it a bunch of numbers. Or a segment. That would be nice. So API per sender per account. I was just with the salespeople last night. I should know this. I forgot. I wasn't paying that much attention. Okay, I can do 1 per second. That's okay. Twilio US Calio. I'm not using that. Any Twilio capable number. 10. Or is this 300 and some change? 399 maybe. Twilio short code, I can do a lot. That's good, but I am not using a short code. So I guess I'm gonna have to do this one right here. So I'm gonna have to make sure I limit, or does maybe their SDK does that for me. Twilio. Yeah, maybe the SDK handles that for me and I don't have to do that. Well, yeah, I got that, but does the SDK help me with that? It seems like it doesn't. I'm gonna have to manually, god damn it. I'm gonna have to build on my own infrastructure to respect API limits. Oh my gosh. It's fine though, because for now I can just make a loop. Cause I only have 1. And I'm gonna create an object so that I can get some type help here. Integrations. This is a send message request. Public class send message request. We're gonna have a 2. Wait, hold on. Is it string? Yeah, string 2 number. I forgot how properties. All right, I gotta figure out how you do. Wait. Okay, so properties are capital. Okay, 2 number. This the style. Like obviously it doesn't really matter, but if I'm in C# land, I should at least try to use their stuff. And this is gonna be get set like so. Do I have to do that? Wait, there's a required in here? Is it one of these things? No? Oh, okay. I have to give it I don't know if I actually have to, but I am going to give it one of these things right here. Something. No, it doesn't care. Okay. Doesn't care. And it is from data annotations, which is, yeah, that's what that is. Oh yeah. This is, okay, I forgot. So I need to do that. Then we'll do from numbers. And I think an array is just one of these doodads. Oh, there is a required. Okay, I didn't. This is new then. This must be a new thing in whatever this the new version of C#. I haven't used C# since C# 5. Okay, well that's nice. That's a lot easier too. All right, what other stuff do I need? That's it for now, maybe. So I don't need this anymore. That's good. So we'll do a send message. Ah, shit. Send message request. We'll deserialize this into that. And now I will get my 2 number. I should get my 2 number. How come that's not working? Oh, this isn't dynamic anymore. That part. I'll call that a var. JSON. There we go. We'll do our 2 number. Two numbers. What did I say? 2 numbers. Oh my gosh, I'm dumb. The exact opposite of what I wanted. Like that. Okay. So we have from number and then 2 numbers. Except now I don't even need this variable anymore, so we'll just go straight to the source. And from number. Like that. Cool. I'm going to make sure that this is working as expected. Alright, so we'll do, fuck, how do you, is it, shit, what is it? JSON from 2 numbers? This should be an enumerable. Yeah, it is. Okay. So is there like a each, for each? That's not, that didn't do anything that I thought it would do. Do I have to actually type it out myself? I don't want to type it out. I wanted to do it for me. Oh man, I'm gonna have to type it out myself. Or maybe it'll do it. Oh, shit, it's not gonna do it. Oh, this sucks. I mean, it doesn't exist. Did I not type the for each? Oh, this sucks. I had to type that out myself. I didn't want to have to type that out myself. All right, so I actually don't want to do this either. I'm going to map this. I think I can map. I should be able to map. So it'll be two numbers select, and then I can give it a lambda expression. I forgot how lambda expressions work in C#. Like, what's the syntax for it? I should be able to just do like message or number. And then, all right, I gotta look it up. Oh, okay, so I should be able to. Okay, so I should be able to do that. Put a little thingamajig here. And it should be upset because I'm not actually returning anything. Yeah, I think I gotta return something. Or do I return something and select? I forgot. Okay, I can return something. Okay. This isn't what I want though. Expressions. Action. So I'm definitely not going to get an action. This should give me back a task, a bunch of tasks. Let's just dump this in here, see what happens. It's not happy. All right, and this should return back. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, it is doing that. So we'll call this var results. And I don't know what this is. I don't know what the type is going to be yet, but it will be something. From number is always going to be the same. The 2 is going to be the number. Okay. And I should probably return something from the message. What are they returning? The body. Okay. It's good enough for me. Okay, so I'm going to give back this thing right here. Say wait all. So now how you wait on here? Do I have to await this? Can I convert that to task? Interesting. What does this want? It wants an array of tasks. This is okay, so maybe if I do dot to array, and then it should be an array now. Task string of results. Oh, I see. Okay, so maybe there should be one that gives me. Yeah, there we go. All right. We'll rename this messages. I really don't care about the body, but I am going to return that, I think. Gonna have to use a real number soon, so I'm gonna not share that part when I get there. Man, it would be so much help, it'll be really helpful if I can get the docs for this, because I forgot the TPL. C# task parallel library. It's been a while. Oh, I had to loop through it. Man, I was hoping I wouldn't have to do that. Okay, well that sucks. I had to. Okay, fine. So we'll go through our message. Okay, we'll take our message. Not actually returning anything, am I? Task array. I wonder if it has a default return. I wonder if that's what that is right here. Okay, so we're gonna take that and we'll, how do you write to the console? Console write line. But I won't do that. I'll log it out. So we'll do log information, maybe. Oops, not that one. Log information, and then that thing. Message sent. I wonder if I had to do a block. Ah, that's what this is. So that right there, what is this? It's a string. Is this message not the type that I think it is? System threading task of string. Common place to insert type from string array. Where's the string array coming from? This part is confusing me. I don't understand how this is, like, where is this converting this to a string of optional? I don't see that. I'm gonna return the whole object. Who? I don't know what that is. I could just use this var, right? Maybe that. Test message. Yeah, I don't understand how this thing right here is returning an optional. It says that it's returning a message resource. The whole thing. So how is it this to array that's doing that? I bet you it is. I bet you it's the to array that's doing that. No, it's not. it's still coming back as an optional. I wonder, is it because it's giving me an ID? That should be an integer, yeah. Technically, I don't need it to be projected into a new form. I only need to, I guess I need to do this loop again, which I don't have that right. What was that? Yeah, I guess I need to do that loop again, which I haven't done that yet. So we'll get rid of that. I just need to wait. And then I'll go to my messages and I'll do the for each thing. I'll say message and messages. So yeah, we won't do this projection here. Like so. Is message not a thing? Oh yeah, I forgot. This is, need to do that thing. So local parameter name messages cannot be declared in the scope because the name is used. Where am I using? Oh yeah, I guess I am using that. Call it task. And there we go. Oh, wait a minute. No. I want that to be that. I just won't name this messages. There we go. Look at that. Now, I don't need this block here, so we'll get rid of that. That's just sent to whatever that is. Now, this is returning the whole thing. So, look at the async state. And I have to cast it as something. So this is a, I should have returned an actual object, a response, but I'm not going to deal with that right now. What I'll do is I'll find that name as a message resource. So we'll do this right here, message resource. State is equal to message async state as a message resource. I gotta do that. Oops. Okay, and body. There we go. So it's upset that this can be nullable. Sure, we'll just do that. Have it leave me alone. And we'll just say if state is null, then we'll just continue. Man, this semicolon is throwing me off. I haven't had to type semicolons in forever. Can I just fire it? Will it understand? Ah, shit. Will it understand that this is option? Yes, it does. Perfect. Just pattern matching. Oh, this is new. This is new to me. I didn't know C# had pattern matching now. What the hell? Maybe is int number. Oh wow, okay. I like that. That's really cool. All right, what is this? Why is this complaining? We'll leave that alone. Okay, so do I? All right. So for each one of these, we'll do something. Obviously, I don't want to return that in a loop. I don't think I do. Maybe I want to close out this function that I'm in, maybe. Wait, not there, here. Okay, so I maybe don't want to return whatever this is either, but I will for now. We'll just return that. And then at some point I can collapse this into an actual result object later. So I gotta see if this works now. Wonder if it's actually gonna work this time, or do I have to stop it all again? Yeah, it seems like I'm gonna have to stop it all again. I really need to figure out how this works without me having to keep doing this. This is really annoying. Okay. Move this off to the side where y'all can't see any of this. I'll also close that down, and I gotta find the number, and I'm also gonna move that off to the side too. Y'all don't need to see all that. Okay. Where's the phone number? Okay, so internal server error. That's not good. Let me do this just in case it re-pops up stuff. I don't want any of that to be shown. I gotta also close the thing again. Make sure nothing's actually running. All right, this goes to send message. Okay, all right, that's doing something. Value cannot be null. Oh, I'm dumb. I am, okay, yeah. Let me undo all of these changes. I don't want to have my number here. Okay. So, this is failing because I forgot to add a data annotation. So let me come here, get rid of all of that. Go to my send message request. There should be a way for me to like tell whatever this thing is, Newtonsoft. I think here. Yeah, there should be a way for me to say, oh, by the way, it's named something different, and you gotta do something about it. I forget how you do that. Is it attributes? Yeah, there we go. Yeah. This thing right here. JSON property. JSON property name. And this is going to be from number. Yeah, that's why it's null or whatever the issue was telling me. JSON property name. 2 numbers. Okay. All right, I think that should do. So I gotta stop it again because I have no idea. Oh wait, no, it's still, wait, okay, I guess it's still running somehow. What's the data annotation? It is a feature in C# that allows you to annotate. Basically, it gives the compiler information about a particular property. So this thing right here is an annotation. And I'm calling it data annotation because this is just data and annotating in the sense, oh, by the way, this is a property name and it maps to this from number or 2 numbers. Maybe it is called data annotation. I don't know. I think it's just called annotations or something, but maybe it is called data annotation. Let's see, C# data annotations. Yeah, it's called that. Yeah, it's called that. I was hoping it would actually show information about it. This is it. Is these classes right here that allow you to provide metadata to the compiler about what a particular property is for, and different libraries use them differently. You can use introspection to get at details about particular properties, and if you're a library developer, you use that to do things. All right, so let's see if I still get a 500, and I can pull that over now. Yeah, I can pull that over here now. Okay, I'm still getting a 500. Value cannot be null. Okay. Maybe this is not throwing the, or maybe this is a different one. Let's see. Link in the select. Am I using select anywhere? Yeah, I'm not. I'm like, I thought I got rid of that. Line 49. So, oh, I am using select. Oh, I'm stupid. Okay. Why am I doing this in a select? I don't know why I'm doing this way. That's okay. Let's we'll do this. Our message in data dot that. Oops. Not sure what happened here. Okay. And this is going to be a number. Okay, what is number? Okay, number may not exist. That's the problem. I don't know how that's the case, considering that my type explicitly says that it can't be. Oh, because data. Ah, okay, because data. But here's my question, like, if there's nothing in data, like if this just doesn't exist, how would it even get here? So I could either deal with this, which I'm not going to do that because wait, no, yeah, that doesn't make sense. We'll say this. So we'll say if data is null. And maybe there's another way you could do this and using that pattern matching crap. So if data is whatever that is, I'll just return early. I'll say no data. I'm just saying okay for now. It doesn't actually, I wouldn't actually return that. I would return something a little bit smarter than that. Like a server error of some sort, like a 404. Maybe that's something I can return. I don't know this Azure thing like at all. Error. What's it called? 401? No, 2. It's a 404? No. 400. Ah, that's what it is. Bad request. Can I do that? Bad. Yeah, look at that. Haha. Okay. So. What kid do I pass this? Why do I need to pass a status code? What else could it be? Oh no, I can just give it a message. Okay. Now, why is this upset at me? Why doesn't it like that? Oh, because it's not a result. Okay, I see. So I wonder if I just throw. Can I just do that? Exception, maybe? This isn't JavaScript, just an exception. Can I just throw? Yeah, I can. Okay. Now let's see if I can do this pattern matching. Will it do it? Coalesce. Sure. I don't know how I feel about that. I actually don't like this at all, but I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna keep it. I hate it though. Okay. So data should exist. Send request message or whatever that is. Yeah, that should exist. Why is this still an optional? What if I put a little one of these in there? Is it still treating this as an optional? Yeah, this is crazy. I don't understand why it's doing this. I do understand now. Never mind. I forgot. This is an array. There could be nothing in the array. Although if there's nothing in the array, this wouldn't even be ran. And I think that this is still, yeah. Okay. All right. So this is weird. I'm just gonna say if it's null, just continue. All right. And then inside of here, we will, do I want to return any of this? I don't want to return any of this. I think I do have to give this a actual type. This is a message. I forgot what it's called. Oh, message resource. It's literally right there in front of my face. Array. So we'll do that, and then we will push each one of these in there. And I want to wait it here. We'll just do message task add append, maybe that. I think append is, what is append? The task. Okay, I'll just give it the task. Okay. Okay. So we'll do that thing. It's, where's, what, discard underscore? Where's this underscore at? Do that later. Okay, so now it won't be a when all, it'll be a wait all. Will it? Oh, haha, tripping. No, tripping. Message tasks. Okay, and then this will be message task again. Okay. Let's see what this quick fix is suggesting. Append returns? Wait, append returns? I didn't know that. I guess it does. I didn't know that. Oh, no, I guess it makes sense. So that you could do the dot, dot, dot on top of it. Yes, right here. Yeah. Okay, I didn't know that. I wonder if there's something else that's other than a pen that doesn't return. Doesn't matter. All right, well, whatever. I'll do that. Okay, and we're gonna wait all the things. And do I need to do dot start? Or can I do wait all? I think wait, which one of these actually starts it? One of these starts it too. Yes, I can do it that way. But I should be able to call start on here. I guess not. That's a function, I guess. Okay. Now I can't do that because then it won't actually start the thing. And I can't start it this way because this doesn't return the thing. So I'm just going to assume that this will actually start the running of the task. I hope. Actually, I won't assume. I'm going to go and look. It's probably the smarter thing to do. CPU. It's just don't care. Don't care about that or that anymore. Basically, wait objects. It provides overloaded versions that enable you to wait for a non-uniform set of tasks. Oh, maybe I had to do it this way. It's been so long since I've done this. It's literally been a decade. I forgot how you do all of this. I just need to know if when I call when all will it start the task. That's really all I need to know. Let's see when all. No, it won't. I had to start it myself. Okay. Okay, so that's to start the task. And this should await the task. And then this right here, yeah, I'm just doing this because apparently it could be null, which I don't understand how or why. All right, let's see if that does something. Okay, that didn't do what I thought. Maybe I had to stop this. No. Maybe. All right, I still get a 500, but is it different this time? Line, no, that's not right. Line 50. Really? Or is it 53? No, that's wrong. It is line 50. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. So this right here isn't an object. Okay, let's throw a breakpoint here. And get our body. Okay. Ah, okay, it's still null. Interesting. Also, this is weird. Why is this? Yeah, this is weird. Did I type the right things? 2 numbers. JSON property, 2 numbers. All right, maybe I also have to put this JSON property in there, or whatever this is. Maybe I have to do this too. Property. Can I give it a name this way? Default handling, default value, item converter. I don't see anything naming strategy parameters. I don't think that's it. Item type handling. Okay. Oh wait, no, property name is here. Literally, it's literally here. Okay. So I don't do this one. I do this one right here. It's good to know. So it's just JSON property. Okay, so we will stop this. I guess I have to stop this each and every time. I don't know. This is weird. Uh-oh. It's mad because I was still debugging. It didn't like that. Close that. Close that too. Okay. Oops. Let's see if I get data in here now. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. So that was the problem. All right, that. We'll just jump down to here. Got our message task. I was under the impression I'd be able to see that there is an array here. I guess not. Whatever, we'll just go here. And these should all fail. So, but I shouldn't see a 500 this time. Right, yeah, there we go. So we could test. All right, instead of that, we'll say messages sent. Message sent. Something like that. Okay, 2 phone numbers. Where is it at? Where's that log message at? 2 phone numbers. Oh, here we are. So 2 phone numbers. Honestly, this doesn't make sense. So I'm just going to remove that. And we should see a message sent to each number. Do that, and then for each one here. Okay, yeah. Body. Send message sent to. And is there a phone number in here? 2. Yeah, there we are. All right. So nothing got sent, obviously, but it didn't fail. So I should be able to see if this works for real. I don't speak this language, but the background music file. Oh, yeah, appreciate it. It's the normal, whatever I normally have playing in the background. All right, I think I'm good to test this for real now. So let's open up a little thingamajig. So from number, oh gosh, I gotta find it again. Where did it go? Okay, all right, let me stop sharing right quick just in case. Okay, there, that's it. Okay. Put that back. So we'll do that number, which I won't say. And we're gonna send this to this number here. All right. I'm also gonna not share my screen again, just in case it shows some other crap that I don't want shown. Actually, before I gotta stop I gotta stop something first. So we'll stop this. Close. I gotta rebuild it for my new log message. Okay, we'll go ahead and start debugging. So you'll know if I get it because you may hear my phone go off. In fact, oh yeah, I'm not gonna be sharing my screen. All right, never mind. I was gonna say I gotta turn it off because it'll show up on my computer. So we'll do that. Okay, yeah. Message. Where's the 2? Message sent. Did it actually get sent? Okay, all right, I don't see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and change the number to some BS. Do that. Okay, perfect. So close that. And let me also change this number to something else. Great. All right. So I need to go look at our logs. See if I get any discard whatever changes I've made. Invalid from number. Okay. 5:57 a.m. It's not in our time zone. All right, but that's fine. Let's see. So shit. I needed to put it in E164 format. I didn't do that. Damn it. I had to put the +1. Such a stupid mistake. It literally says that too, and I've been ignoring that. Fuck. Okay. Okay. Sure. Wait a second. It's not free. I want you to understand that. You go to art list, you gotta sign up for a thing. Yeah. Golden. And there should be like a favorites. Yeah, so it's these right here. Let's see if I can give you a link. Share song, copy link. Yeah, see how that works out for you. I'm going to remove logs because I don't want that being shown. So I'm gonna just remove these logs for now. Specifically that one. Yeah, especially that one. I don't want that to be there. But there's some other logger information that maybe I do want. So we'll do log information. And wait, where? Oh yeah, I'm tripping. It's that new pattern matching thing. Okay, so I can either get an error code. Maybe I'll do the body. Yeah, we'll just return the body. That's what the example is doing. Okay. Let's try this again. Here. I'm also gonna stop sharing my screen again so I can potentially move the other thing. Get that out of here. Okay. So we'll start debugging and let me remove that. I don't need that anymore. Make sure I'm only doing the body. I am. Let's go ahead and put that number in there. From number. Okay, I can't say that out loud. Oh, I'm about to make the same mistake again. I gotta format it properly. Same with the other number I'm gonna use. Okay. Where are my logs? I don't see my logs being output anywhere. I was expecting it. Ah, okay. So I'm skipping if there's no state. So I wonder if this isn't actually starting a task. Oops. Wait, what? How did I do that? Make sure that task run will do that. It does. Task when all. Give it the task. I'm not gonna worry about the cancellation token at the moment. Let's try that again. It says 0. Let's look at the length. Where is my debug console? Can I do that? Okay, I was expecting it to finish, but maybe not. Length. 0, no wonder. Okay. So, append isn't appending. That's the problem. Okay. Maybe this will, okay, this won't be in there. Okay, all right, I see what the problem is. We're gonna call this a new list of message resource. And I probably should do one of these things. And this can be a var now. Wait, new list of task. I'm tripping. So task of that. And then this can be inferred. And no wonder it was returning a new thing. Okay, all right. So I don't know if, is it append here? Add, that's what it is. Okay. There we go. All right, now I should have things in here. So let's stop. Oh wait, that's not the right one. Come here, stop that. Start. Okay, do some of that. Now let's confirm. Oh, it's not. Okay, gosh, what is it for? Message task. I don't know. Let's see if I can do it in the watch. Will it, does it know? It doesn't. number through an exception. A number. That threw an exception. Okay. That's not good. Message. Oh, it has one task in it though. Okay. All right. Well, do some things. I got a 200. Now, it may always give me a 200. It could be that. That could also be a thing. So let me go and look at the, what do you call that thing? The logs. Messaging. Hold on. Undelivered. Okay. Let's see. I can't show this because it has numbers that I don't want to share. Message from an unregistered number. Did I not type the number properly again? Okay. All right. This seems like an issue that's not my problem. I didn't purchase the number. Now, I was told that I can purchase whatever numbers I need, but I don't want to do that. Let's make sure that the, like all the other stuff is as I expect it to be though. Yeah, it's literally just that. It's just message from an unregistered number. I don't know what that means. I wonder if there's more setup I need to do in our dashboard. That's probably it. Or did I? Wait, 6240. Is that the same number? 2, 2, yeah, that's the same number. Okay. This is probably what I should use the Twilio console to look into to figure out whether or not that number is valid for sending yet. Because it was literally just created. It says it's active for SMS too. Can send, receive calls, can send, receive SMS messages. It's not saying that I can right now. Please add emergency phone number, or you may incur a $75 charge per emergency call. What the fuck? Hell. Check a registration status of your phone numbers. Registration required. Oh, okay. I had to register. God dang it. Okay. All right. There's more work that I have to do. So from a technical standpoint, I think I'm good. I just need to finish this A2P 10 DLC registration. Okay, let's do that. Is this a business entity? Yes, it is. Shit, I need the tax ID. Let me see the following message capabilities. All right, so man, there's more stuff that needs to be done. Let me continue. Let's see how far I can get before I have to stop. Do you like to register? No. Is this business entity registered? Yes, it is. This entity registered? Yes, we do. No. It's okay. It's like asking me the same questions over and over again. It's literally asking me the same questions over and over again. Oh wait, would you like to register for sole proprietor? No, this isn't sole proprietor. Oh, okay. So I can't do. Yeah, I think our sales team they're gonna have like the sales Twilio sales. They're gonna have to do that. Make sure. Share that. A2, whatever that is. So we need to finish that. A2P10 DLC. A2P10 DLC registration. Okay, so then there's nothing else I can do at this point. I am blocked. So what I'm going to do is I need to turn these into issues, which I'm not going to do that here because reasons. But what I will do is do some commits. Okay, so we're gonna add JSON serialization. Ooh, whatever. Okay, I wanted to do this as a separate branch, but it's okay. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, all right, well, that's it for that. Not much else I can do. Undo all of these changes that I've made to these numbers. Okay, send that off again, just so it, all right, cool. So this is my API thing that I had off to the side. Man, I should have known because it literally says it right here and I didn't even look at it. It makes no sense to get webhooks installed yet or set up the webhook stuff, but let me see if I have ngrok on here. I don't. And I'll use my version of it. Close all of that. I can share my full screen now. I don't think I logged in with my GitHub account. I didn't. Okay. That was oh wait, no, I did. Okay, never mind. Yeah, we're good. Okay. So what I'll do, I need to reset some things. Where can I do that at? So we'll work all sessions. Yes, multi-factor authentication. And where is my auth token? Here we are. Log in. Oh shit. Okay. All right, I gotta add my auth token. Log in. This is gonna be a one-time password. I mean QR code failed. What? All right, something is weird. Why can't I? Oh, here we are. Why can't I just put in the code? Just let me put in the code. Shit, it's trying to do this dumbass QR detection. I don't want it to do that. Cause I don't think it knows what app to use. Oh, that pissed me off. Oh my gosh, I hate this. And it didn't even do it. So I need to delete all the other credentials. We're good. Okay. Okay. Wow, what is up with this page? This is the weirdest thing. Check this out. Hold on, let me make sure that. Yeah, check this out. This is weird. Look at this. It's just scrolling back and forth. I don't know what the hell is that. So weird. Technically don't have a server running right now, but yeah, it's fine. It doesn't really matter that much. All right, wait, free. Why is it not using? Oh, you know what? My credit card may have expired. I don't check my email. Bro, I have no idea. I don't know. Like they don't have names on my system. Like, I don't know. It's just playing random ass shit. Even if they do have names, it's not named something that you would know. They're named after the date that I download them. So if you've ever seen my live stream, well, my older live streams, they're always named after the date. If you look at my NPC, for instance, which you can't unless I showed it to you, but even this the songs that I do on my NPC are named after the date. I don't believe in, like, names are meaningless to me, so I name things based off of the time, because that's the only thing that's meaningful to me. And I don't know. I honestly, I'm too lazy to go and look in art list and play a bunch of things just to give an answer, because it's like it doesn't really help me or serve me in any way. I don't need that anymore. Oh wait, am I still logged? Okay, yeah, I am. Okay. Yeah, let's close. I'll deal with that later. What am I trying to do? Oh, I know what I'm doing. It's 1:30. I'm gonna go to sleep. Maybe. Maybe I won't. Give me a second. I gotta do something. Oh, this is the wrong. Okay, where's Teams? Okay. No. Okay. Interesting. There was something that who is it? Someone sent me something. All right, manuals. Books, manuals, there's nothing there. I wonder if it's in Dropbox. see Dropbox anywhere. How do I get the Dropbox on here on this computer? Do I not have Dropbox installed on here? Oh, I don't. Look at that. Okay, let me go to my other computer then. Kronos. Why is it laggy? No, go away. Gosh, leave me alone. Just like let me work. No, leave me alone. I don't care about any of this shit. All right, now let's see. Dropbox is on this computer, I'm sure. Yeah, it is. And it's not here. Shit. Okay. Let's see. Maybe it's in documents. No. iCloud documents, I hope. It's not here. Shit. All right, let me check my email. Oh, okay, perfect. Dang, she sent it to me and I didn't even check it. No wonder. Haha. All right. Hello. That's what I was looking for right here. Needed to figure out what is wait, how come it's not working? Shit. Yeah, here we are. Curry paste. So this is from my I think I have a photo of it. Let me see. Let me first get out of here. I don't need this anymore. Go away. In fact, let me stop sharing my screen just in case. I have some private stuff that I don't need to share or show. Shrimp paste. Oh man. All right. So I don't know. I don't have shrimp paste. When did I go to this place? Yeah, here we are. There we go. Yeah, this is this is what I ended up making. I'm sure I can find this in my Finder somehow. This is this thing right here. I wish there were a keyboard shortcut for this. It's so hard. So that's what this is from. Where I was just looking at something. I guess I lost it already. Oh no, I didn't. Yeah. So this is what I need right here. And I wasn't sure if I had everything. Yeah, I don't have this right here. I don't have ginseng. So I gotta find that. And I think I took a picture of everything.
Thai ginseng, garlic, shallot, kaffir skin, turmeric, curcuma, lemongrass, coriander root, and galang.
Got it. Okay. So I have all of those but 3. Ginseng, I forgot completely. Wait, was that ginseng?
Thai ginseng.
Yeah, that is ginseng. Okay. Wait. Maybe ginseng is galangal? Maybe that's the same thing. Nah, there is a difference. Okay, so I do need ginseng. God dang it. Okay, let me listen to this again. Make sure
Thai ginseng, garlic, shallot, kaffir skin, turmeric, curcuma, lemongrass, coriander root, and galangal. This one is the same.
Oh, so it is galangal. Okay. Well, I didn't see Thai ginseng when I went to the Thai market today. Oh wait, did I go to this one? Yeah, I went to here. I didn't see it here. I don't think they have a website where I can actually see the stuff that's in the store. Oh wait, this could be the other Thai market because there's 2 of them. Yeah, this is the one on Main. Okay, yeah, I need to go to the other one. Let me just show you how stupid this is. We have, is it gonna work? Okay, yeah, sure. We'll do Thai market in Houston, maybe where I am. See, there. So I went to here. This is normally where I go for my ingredients, but is there an interior in here? And in fact, I almost got the sauce to make this. Well, not the sauce, the curry, because I don't want to make this curry myself. I don't want to really. Not curry. Is it curry? What do you call it? I forget what you call it, but whatever. Like I almost got it from here because they have ready made in a can. But then I'm like, yeah, I'll make my own. I'm not seeing the interior, unfortunately. And I didn't take any pictures, so yeah, I guess we're not gonna be able to find it. But yeah, this is normally where I go. Oh, here it is. Yeah. So this is normally where I go. They have a little grocery section over there. And I go here for eating, for all kinds of things. It's really good. Now, there are 2. That's why I'm like, well, technically there are 3. But I went to the other one. This is the one on Main Street. I go here too, but I've never gotten groceries from here. In fact, most of the time when I go here, it's for a specific thing, 2 specific things. In my opinion, they're, what's the name of it? Pasiu is better than the other one, but the other one has better green curry. This has Thai, it's a Laotian place as well, so they have the Laotian style sausage, which the other one, they kind of have the same thing, but it's not the same. It tastes different. So I go back and forth depending on what specific dish I want. But you can see here, here is the paprika. That's not the right one. Where is it? I recognize things by the color. Where it's not it right here. Here it is. This one right here. This is paprika. And this is green curry. But I was gonna make my own green curry, but paprika, I was gonna get it that way. But I will come here and see if they have the Thai ginseng. All right, let me move this off because they're like, I have people in here that I don't know want to be seen. But what I will show, oh yeah, I can pull this over now. Let me make sure that there's no additional, yeah, I can pull these over now. Show some of these other ingredients, what they look like naturally. Oh, it's JPEG, so I can't really do much to it. But yeah, so these are 3 different types of, I'm gonna call them curries because I forgot what you call them. And these are pea flowers, purple pea flowers, which have a wonderful color. They're mostly for color, but they also have a slight flavor. This is galangal right here. It's not ginger. They're not the same. It's galangal. And then there's kaffir lime leaves, which fortunately I can get those here, and I can also get Thai basil here. A lot of the Thai restaurants, they have them shipped here weekly. So that's why I go to the Thai restaurant market, because they use the ingredients in the food. Now I'm going to do my stuff a little bit different. I'm not going to go fully off the recipe because I went to another restaurant in Phuket that was literally the best green curry I've ever had in my life. Let me pull it over here right quick. I got to find it, but I had to scroll through other pictures. And, you know, maybe I don't want y'all to be seeing those other pictures. Yeah, here we go right here. Make sure that we're good. Okay. Yeah, it was so good that we went multiple times. And it's not cheap either. It's expensive as fuck. Like, seriously, it's expensive. I think I spent $200 in Thailand. Just let that sink in. Not in Thai baht, but like in our money. Yeah, here it is right here. So there are some differences, so I'm going to be working to figure out what it is. Like this right here, if I can even get into there. Like, I want to say that these are fresh something. I forget what it is. Maybe I should just look at the name of the restaurant, figure that out. What is it? Ben Rimpa. Ben Rimpa. Of course, it's in Thai. I don't speak Thai. There were only other rich people there, which that also makes it nice. Oh, my bad. I just see I'm playing chess. 3 queens. How do you do that? Menu. So maybe the menu will tell me what that ingredient is. It's taking a while because it's literally coming from Thailand and their servers are probably slow as hell. Or it's not working. One or the other. Alright, what the hell is being up? Oh, that's me. I'm streaming. I'm dumb. I'm like, what the hell is being uploaded right now? It's me being an idiot. Honestly, I don't. It could have been more than that. I don't remember. Let me see. I'll show you the spread because it was a bunch of things. All right, so maybe this is a spread of things. Maybe not. Obviously, I did a poor job of documenting things, as usual. Make sure. Oh yeah, this is some of the things. So whatever those are large ass prawns, shrimp, whatever that was, and that's only 2 things. So these right here, this is my favorite dish in general, like in Thai. They are morning glory, and I get, literally anywhere I go, if they have it, I'm getting it. Maybe this has other stuff. Okay, yeah, this has some other stuff. So I must have filmed this in like a bunch of different goes because the food didn't all come out at once. And I'm the kind of person where when food comes out, I have to start eating. Yeah, I got to figure out what that ingredient is in the middle of the green. I may have to consult my memory and tell me, yeah, and that soup. So that was 3 things plus whatever that is, 2 things plus all these drinks. And yes, I got all these drinks because I have to. I'm non-alcoholic. I don't drink. Yeah, so this is like passion something. This was mango something. Probably one of them had guava. This is Thai tea. Of course, I had to get all of that too. It's a dope view too. You know, here, I'll show you. Oh, here's the other shit I got. Okay. But yeah, here is the view from where I was sitting. Make sure it's not gonna go to anything. Okay, yeah, we're good. Yeah, it's Animan. I gotta make sure that I don't show other things. Let me make sure. Okay, yeah, I'm good. So I can show y'all some of the other food too. Wait, what? Just skipped over the food. That's what I was looking for. I didn't see it. Okay, here we are. Oh wait, hold on. This is breakfast at the hotel. Yeah, this is breakfast at the hotel. The view is dope though. We'll say that. Here is the second time. And some of these, honestly, some of these dishes I got twice. Now that I remember now. I got this twice. It was so good. I'm like, I gotta get it again. Okay, man. I gotta remember what those things are. I forgot. Oh yeah, and I got guava juice second time. Okay. All right, I can show some of this, maybe. Show Finder. Yeah, so you can see the premises. Maybe scroll up a little bit. Keep in mind, this is HDR, so it's gonna look weird for you. Oh wait, hold on. Maybe I should have. Let me make sure that. Okay, yeah, okay, all right, yeah, we're good. I can show it. Obviously, my room view was dope as fuck because always, like, of course, I have to get a dope ass room view, and I have a photo. In fact, this photo should look familiar. I think I have it on my Instagram, if I'm not mistaken. I think I did that. Let me come back here and I'll show you my room. So Finder. As you can see, I have a private pool. It's the whole villa, obviously. Well, maybe that's not obvious, but it's the whole villa. It's cold too. It's not heated or anything, so I had to prep myself to go into this pool of cold ass water. Yeah, you can see the view. Well, as I was telling you in Discord, I'm like, why would I put glad? Like, that's just no. I'm good, bro. I was trying to get at when I was like, my life is great. I don't need to augment it in any way. Oh, I do have more photos of the stuff. It's just, it's intermixed with other things, and I'm not going to show the other things. So, but I do have other videos and photos of that dish that I was looking for. Here is the sunset, or maybe it was sunrise. I don't remember. Who knows? This is from my room. Yes, it is. It's nice. It's peaceful. I prefer peace. Here are some water lilies, which are also a form of peacefulness. Again, this is all in HDR, so it's gonna look weird. Yeah, I guess it's just a lot of other stuff. Show you something interesting. Some of these are poor photos, like they just weren't good because of reasons. But that's okay. It's okay. Here is one such photo. Yeah, wait, what just happened? Okay, yeah, there we go. Yeah, you can kind of see. So I stayed here. It's a pretty dope place. Wait, what? I am so confused. Yeah, there we go. So let me see if I can. Yeah, so this is the tallest, biggest something. I don't know, some type of infinity pool. This is in Singapore. Okay, yes, full shot. Yeah, there should be a photo of that somewhere in here. Maybe down here. Oops. See, that's what I was trying to avoid, showing stuff. I don't need to be seeing all that other stuff. Huh. Maybe I don't have a photo. Well, this is it right here, but this isn't a great photo. Now I possibly can make it a better photo. Maybe. Let's see, is this a good photo? Can I do anything with this? Let's see. Let's try to do some editing. Let's throw up these blacks. Nah, I don't like it. See how much noise there is. Yeah, there's a lot of noise in this photo. It's a lot of noise. Yeah. Unfortunately, this was the best that I can do because this was back when I had my A7S III and I was hand holding everything. And I was using a f4 lens. So there was only so much I could do. Uh-oh. One of these should look familiar if you're on my Instagram. Should look familiar. I should have something in Mombasa, maybe. The problem with all of this is that when I use my real camera, I don't have GPS because I don't connect it to my phone. Because normally I don't have my phone. I think I was telling you that earlier when I was walking. I'm like, I rarely have my phone. I don't see the point of it most times. Man, I didn't realize I had so many photos on my A7 III. I thought most of them were on A7 IV, but maybe that's not the case. I'm seeing a lot here. Things I don't even remember having an A7 III with. Here's a cool photo of a camel. I don't know if I have, if I've edited this. Not edited. I don't know if I've done anything with this, but it's kind of funny to me. They tied the camel to a little rock. Kind of funny, in a way. Let me make sure I pull this off because there's definitely some photos of other people in here. Nobody needs to be seeing that. Actually. No, this is fine. You can't tell anything. Yeah, so this is the pyramid. And it's bigger than it seems. I will say that. It's much larger than you would expect. In fact, here, this should give you some perspective. There's a man just like there. So 2 of those stones is my height. Yeah, you didn't even know he was there. He's just in there. Yeah, that should give you some perspective of how large these things are, man. It's insane. Oh, one of these should be fun. I don't remember where in the world I was, but here are some other. Oh, I know where this is. I know where this is. This looks like Lake Kivu. This is Lake Kivu. I think it's Lake Kivu. Let me check. Why does it keep putting me in Budapest? That's weird. I want to say that's Lake Kivu. So I was all in here. I was in Kenya, Mombasa, parts of Uganda, Ethiopia, Tanzania. I didn't make it to Burundi. I wanted to go to Burundi. It was right next door, but I didn't go. I ended up going back up north. Yeah, it's Lake Kivu. Yeah, and then I went to DRC as well. So yeah, went to some places. So I want to say that this is Lake Kivu right here. Now, where some of these other places are, I have no idea. This looks like Kigali, but I don't know. I don't actually know. This isn't Kigali. shit. I don't know where that is. I don't know. Yeah, here is a little bit of an island peninsula type deal. This is the large. It's like the Great Lake almost. Like I think it's the largest fresh like lake in Africa. It may be larger than the Great Lakes here in America. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. Like don't listen to me on that. It could be a lie. All right, let me make sure I scroll past some things and I can show you what the hills look like. Yeah, I can show you. These are all with back, so it's fine. Yeah, so you can check this out. Give you an idea of what it's like. So that's smoke right there. I'm doing this so you can see, but that's like, it's smoke. Some people would call it pollution. So that it must have been Kigali that we were looking at earlier. Yeah, some people would call that pollution, you know? So you can kind of get an idea of what it's like. It's really beautiful though. Come back over here before. Yeah, here are some giraffes in Tanzania. Maybe. Alright, I don't know what the hell that was about. I don't know how to zoom in, apparently. Okay, alright, fuck it. I give up. I can't zoom in. Yeah, so there's Tanzania, and then there's also Kenya. That's a baboon. Ugly ass animals. I hate baboons, bro. Oh my gosh. I hate everything about them. There should be some hippos in this water too. I think I caught some hippos. I didn't get too close because why the fuck? Not doing that. Yeah, here's one. They're big as hell. I'm like, yeah, I'm good. I'm not about to go up near that. Let's pull these highlights down, maybe bring it down so you can actually see the hippo doing hippo shit. Yeah, doing hippo shit. And here's the border between the two. Between Kenya and Tanzania. Some vultures and shit. Here's a fake tree. It's a cell tower, but there's no cell coverage there. It's not an actual cell tower. It's for something. I don't know what it is. It's ugly ass buzzards. What you don't see is that this grass is filled with shit, like literally, and it don't even smell like it. Or maybe I was just used to the scent. I was in Africa for a while, but like, it doesn't smell like, it smells like nothing. It's just like fresh, clean, and it's all dry. It's interesting. Yeah, look at this. This is one of the, what do you call those things? The hyenas. Did y'all know Whoopi Goldberg played a hyena in Lion King? And ironically, she became a hyena. Just saying, just gotta point that out. Oops. All right, how do I go back? Yeah, they're so ugly looking, and they have a weird anatomy. Ah, shit! I wasn't supposed to show that. Yeah, my bad. I need to make sure that let me put this over here, so I'll make sure I'm not showing people. Oh, yeah, now we're getting into some more interesting shit. Look at this. Wait, oh, here we go. This is it. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Wait, what? I don't know what this is about, but hey, look at that shit. Oh my gosh. I need this car in my life. You don't even understand. Oh, this is JPEG. No wonder. I can't do anything with this. Still jack it up. So look at that. Oh my gosh. I need this car. You don't even understand. I say I don't need anything, but in fact, I need this car. Everything about it. I need it. The color, phenomenal. Satin black. Ah. And then you have the glossy black carbon fiber accent. Oh my gosh. You don't even understand. It just does something to me. Yeah, man, that shit's, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Here is a Bugatti. A Bugatti, as some people would call it. Oh, no one. Okay, these are all my A7S III. Okay, not S3. I'm sorry, my A7 III. Interesting. So obviously I have other things on my other, my iPhone too. Let's see, what do I have on my A7 IV? More Bugattis, more other cars. I'll bring it over. Cause I think I can share these, hopefully. Yeah, it looks like I can share these. So my friend bought this car. Well, he ordered one. It's like 1.8 million. I don't know. He should, honestly, it should be getting delivered soon because it was supposed to be 26 and it's 25 now. So it should be getting here. So I'll probably have some more pictures coming up of it. Okay, yeah, we're getting into pictures. I can't show y'all these pictures. Man, it kind of sucks that I didn't really go to as many countries. I only went to like 7 countries with the A7 IV. I should have went to more. I'm looking through and I'm just like, most of this is domestic travel, which is fine, I guess. Like this right here is Lake Tahoe. I don't know if y'all are familiar with Lake Tahoe. It's a little overexposed. Let's bring it down a little bit. Bring the blues and that sky down. You kind of see that's the lake right there. Beautiful. Yeah. More mountain stuff, I guess, if you're in the mountains. All that kind of stuff. Oh, this is back home. I can't show all of this, but I can show this one, maybe. And yes, it's a dope car. We've done some stupid things in this vehicle. You know, if y'all are into fun cars. So yeah, this is at home. This is downstairs right now in the garage. Can't show everything. I got to make sure I don't show a license plate. You know, I'm not about to show all that kind of stuff. But I'm gonna show y'all some detail shots. None of these are edited, by the way. Some of them are, but not all of them are. So like here. You get to see the wheel area, the front, trunk and all that kind of good stuff. See how much room you don't have. This is the front area. It's comically small. It fits this right here and then this box. And then there's nothing else. You can't put anything else in there. Anyway, let me move on before I accidentally show some stuff that I don't want to show. Yeah, I didn't really go anywhere with the A7 IV. Just a few places. It's unfortunate. It's all local for the most part. What about the A7 V? I sent it back because it didn't work. 7 III. Oh shit, I took photos on my A7S III. Okay. Alright, now I feel dumb. Oh, that's dumb. I don't know why I did that. I'm not gonna show them because they have people in them. If you think about the object of a camera, I don't know what you mean. Oh, I don't know anybody who's made insane careers off of a camera. Literally, I know no one who has. Most of the folks who I know, and honestly, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know that many people who have a career per se. It's weird to other people have asked me, oh, what do you want to do in a career? I'm just like, I'm so not career oriented. To me, that's stupid. Like, what the hell? You just do things that interest you. At least that's what I've done, and it's worked out so far. Who knows? Maybe there is I don't know. YouTube is it's not off of a camera per se. It's really more than the camera. The camera's just a tool. That's like saying that you know people who've gotten that way from like a computer, because you need a computer to also do the things. You need editing software too. So it's not just the camera, it's a lot of other things. I'm not going to invest in YouTube. I've decided that I don't care enough. Holy shit. I have photos from a long time ago with my roommate. Oh man, I didn't realize this. I need to edit some of these. Oh, I have pictures of my little brother when he was a baby. I have pictures of Houston before it came a shithole. I hate this place. And I also have photos of the drone competition. I don't think I have any photos of the HoloLens, because you were talking about something about AR stuff. What you don't know is that I was developing AR stuff, like applications, a decade ago for the HoloLens. I don't know if you're familiar with that, the Microsoft HoloLens. It basically is a failed product, in short. It's our capital. This is on my Samsung camera. It's the Treasury building. So this was the only building. Well, technically I get into the White House too, apparently, but back when I used to do government type stuff. Never heard of the HoloLens? Let's go in here of it right quick. Oops. Oh. Not the new version, the original version. This looks like a newer version. Let's see, original maybe. I don't know why I'm using Google as if it's actually going to work. Google is so trash these days. Well, anyway, Microsoft had one, and I did some early stuff with it a long time ago. Like one of the things that you were saying, one of the use cases, maybe it wasn't you, it was someone else. They were saying, oh, it'd be really cool if I can work on stuff. I'm just like, yeah, that's not even innovative. It's like, that was the main use case back then. And then we developed something for people working on pipelines, for assets, that type of thing. No one did anything. You know what? Maybe I could, I might have photos. Maybe. I don't know if this was on my Pixel or if I had an iPhone at the time. No, okay, it was a Pixel. Shit. Okay, I don't have it. Yeah, I had a Pixel at the time. This is back when I used to, every year, I would go back and forth between iPhone and Android. So this must have been a year where I had my Pixel, but I have photos from here. On the vessel and like on the, gosh, what do you call those things? The things where you do stuff. I don't know what you call it. Like they hit pipes and shit, where you need to fix shit. I was doing it for Hess. Well, specifically Lloyd's. Lloyd's is an insurance company. Hess is I want to say they were either bought or, I don't know. It's an oil and gas company. But I was out there to do some shit. I also was in Freeport, but I guess I must have had a Pixel at that time too. Shit. All right, let me see if I can find some of these. I'll put it over here. Just in case there are pictures of people in here. I don't want to show that. And we'll go to map. Because some of my photos in Lightroom, if it loads eventually, do have GPS information, and it's likely. What is this? Yeah. It's if it has whatever, I don't even know what I'm saying, what I'm trying to say. But some of my photos that are here are from my Pixel. Okay. Huh. All right, if I can figure out the date that this was taken. Let's see. Go to collection. No. What if I do this? Okay. Unfortunately, I don't know how to get to this. Maybe I have the Freeport. Hopefully the Freeport stuff is here. No, of course not. Why would it be? I don't even remember the year, and I'm not even sure if I brought these over. These are in Google Photos. This is back when I was using a Pixel. Remember, it was in Google Photos. Let me go to Google Photos right quick. Maybe I still have Google Photos. I don't know. Okay, there's still photos in here. Let's see. Got it. Got it. I don't like how I wanted to just be a map. It's not showing me a map. Yeah, so I guess they're not here. Yeah, maybe these are just photos that are lost. Oh wait, no, I found Bata at least. I found a few of them. I don't have all of them. This is all I have left, apparently. So, no helicopter ride. Yeah, this is Bata. This is on my Pixel. Unfortunately, that's all I have, so I must have lost them. I got better with keeping track of photos and videos as I got further along. Yeah, that's not useful at all. Oh yeah, this, okay. Yeah, all right, look at that. So this is me on my compound in my little golf cart. So I think this is Bata, maybe? I was also in Malabo as well. I don't know why it's flipped this way, but it's flipped that way. I'm not gonna fix it. I think I was either riding to the canteen area or I was riding to the office. It's kind of unfortunate that I have lost shit. It does suck a little bit. Yeah, it kind of does suck a lot, actually. Not just a little bit, but a lot.
Yo, Christian, I met.
Wait, did I find something? Did I find it? All right, I don't know where this is. I have no idea where this is. Oh wait, no. This is Freeport. This is in the Bahamas, maybe. Never mind. Don't believe me. I don't know where the fuck I am. I just saw some type of bird, and I was just like, let me go out here. Look at this bird. And then I got scared because I thought it was going to attack me. I'm not a big fan of birds. I don't know where the hell that was. It was somewhere. Yeah, some of these, I'm looking at these, I don't even remember the place where I was. I can bring it over some of it because there's still some people here, but maybe not too much. So like here, no idea. Like, no idea. Like, no clue. I don't know. It's kind of crazy when you go into all these places and you don't even know anymore. That's where I'm at. I'm just like, I don't know where any of these things are anymore. Some of it looks familiar, but a lot of it, I'm just like, oh, okay, interesting. Some of this looks like, I know this. When it was freaking foggy as hell. I was obviously doing some silly shit too. Let me see. Let me find it. One of these, I was going ham. This is my first 9/11. Yeah, I'm probably gonna go ham somewhere. I have to. Maybe not. I don't know. Maybe I'm not gonna go ham. I don't know. There may not be any to extract. Oh, look at this. I have my motorcycle. I know this. This is Houston. This is my old Monster. Man, I love that bike. Obviously, my motovlog content or quality has come a long way. This is what it was like in the past. You see how warbly it is? It's not that clear. The sound isn't that great. And then you fast forward to now, which, shit, let me just close this. Let me see all that. You need to fast forward to now right quick. My latest, which I haven't edited yet. I have 3 rides that I need to edit. They'll be edited soon. So I'm experimenting with, what do you call it? Stabilization. I don't know if I like it, to be honest. I think I prefer it unstabilized. Maybe a hot take. See, this is what it looks like. I don't like it. It looks weird to me. See how it's like, it just, I don't know, it's just weird. Find something where I'm actually rolling and get a sense of how it sounds. Yeah, so this is with stabilization, and then the other one is without stabilization, maybe. Yeah, without stabilization. I think I prefer without stabilization, if I'm honest. I think just the difference between what I just showed you with my older motovlogs when I was first getting into it and trying to figure it out versus now, just night and day. From like everything, the sound is much better. It's much more immersive now, in my opinion, at least. Overall quality is better. Obviously, I forgot to take off my my little, I don't know what you call the thing, my ND filter.
But at least I am, because I'm tall.
We gotta go through that tunnel right quick, obviously. And this right here is just with my helmet microphone, no external recorder. Yeah, I need to edit these soon before I get to the point where I don't feel like doing it, which I'm already almost there. That's why I haven't done it yet. Yeah, this right here is the Ducati ride with the other Ducati folks. Oh, dude, I found out that this person right here is the stepfather of the sales guy who I was with last night. The sales guy for Twilio. He was like, "Oh, my stepdad is in the Ducati owners. He has a Ducati." He showed me his bike. I'm like, I know him by his bike. This is him right here. This guy right here. I need to edit this soon so I can send it to him. But before I do that, I gotta watch this. Obviously, I try to not go above a certain speed. That's why I'm here. But sometimes I let loose. I think this is one of the cooler views of downtown because it's fairly unobstructed. And you can't really see it all because, you know, the camera's field of view is not as wide as mine, but it's pretty nice. It's a pretty dope thing. Yeah, we rolling deep. It's kind of crazy because it grabs so much attention. It sounds like a roar. I don't know how many of us there were that time, but anyway, it's late, so I'm gonna go. If you enjoyed the stream, whatever part, I know it kind of shifted. I was working. That's initially what I was planning to do, was just work. But yeah, if you enjoyed the stream, a thumbs up would be helpful. And yeah, I might be back later this week. I don't know, probably not. But if I am, you'll see me. I'll be online. New videos will maybe come out at some point soon. I'm working on a bunch of different things at the moment. So those are taking priority right now because they have the real potential to pay me actual money, like what I'm used to making. So that's my focus right now. But in the future, you know, maybe if I'm bored or if I'm freer than usual, and I don't want to edit video or take photos or edit photos or any other stuff that I like to do, I will come online and hang out for a bit. So yeah, y'all have a good night or a good morning if you're on the other side of Earth. And I will see you all in the future. Peace.